Hello friends, welcome back to another video. If you're new, hi, my name is Esther and it's so good to have you guys here today. Today it is all about this beautiful unit from UNice Hair. Now I have here the prettiest, you guys are going to see this unit on my head and as I customize it on my own liking. But this unit is so freaking cute. I fell in love with the highlights. The overall just color of this unit is stunning. Again, like I mentioned, this unit is from UNice Hair and this is their blonde wig. It also comes with highlights, as you guys can see, and it is a water wave lace front wig. Now the lace is a 13x4. It's also 150 density, and I have here a 24-inch unit. I wanted to cut off the lace at the back because it does come with excess lace, so that means you can go ahead and just style your hair into a low ponytail. You can go ahead and style it into a high ponytail. You can just test it out yourself. You see if anybody can see anything at the back. So I'm just grabbing the best tinted spray ever. I got this at my local beauty supply store. This comes in handy, especially if you don't want to bleach the knots, or if you've already bleached the knots and the lace is too light for you. Spray this bad boy. Well, hopefully you guys can get it at your local beauty supply store. They had different shades, but yeah, I love this because it's perfect. Now I just go ahead and grab my brush and my setting powder, and I just apply that on the lace as well, just to set that spray down. You don't have to do this, but I love doing this. I just feel like it's more secure. It's like applying foundation on the lace pretty much. So you got to set your foundations with some type of powder, right? So go ahead and set it if you'd like. So I am just plucking the heck out of this unit. Okay, so this is where I felt like I did the job. Now I felt like this unit didn't have to be plucked, but nowadays I love a more thin lace, like a natural lace. So plucking it to my own liking just makes it look more like skin-like kind of vibe. Yeah, I know I just be talking because I'm not really a professional at hair. I just be winging it as I go. But you guys really do enjoy my hair videos. I at least love how my units be looking. So this is what I be doing. Okay, I'm just plucking away and just looking. I don't over pluck, and yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing here. And also in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and spray this unit with my spray bottle, and it's usually with a conditioner and water mixed together. And when I did spray this unit, I did feel like this unit was drying. Like the feeling of it felt like a bleached unit, so keep that in mind. I probably should have washed it first with conditioner and let it sit overnight, just for it not to have that texture feeling on it. I can't describe the feeling. If you have bleached hair many times, you guys know the feeling of just dry, kind of stringy feel to it. Girl, I don't know, watching this right now reminds me when I was spraying it. Just that feeling was getting me annoyed. So if you don't like that feeling, go ahead and grab a conditioner that's really good for bleached units or just bleached hair. It's going to help that texture go away and not feel so stringy. Yeah, that's pretty much my only downfall with this unit, is just that texture. But again, like I said, grab yourself a nice conditioner that's catered to bleached hair. That should be able to help it. I remember when I used to bleach my own units, there's a certain brand, I can't remember because it's been like 2 or 3 years now. I get it from Sally Beauty Supplies, and it caters to bleach units, or just bleach hair, not bleach units, but bleached hair. But I am just spraying the unit, as you guys seen, and I am just grabbing my brush just to bring those curls back to life. And I'm also going to grab my mousse. There you go. Tresemme mousse always comes to the rescue in case I don't want to spray the whole entire head and get my head all wet. I just grab this mousse. This brings the curls back to life, and it just defines the curls even more. So this is it for me rambling. Okay, I'm going to pop some music. Thank you for tuning in today's video. As usual, check the description box for all the details on this beautiful summer units. That's what I'm gonna call it, a summer unit, because highlights always scream summer to me. All right, loves, I love y'all. Now up in the sun, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.